Welcome back. International drug peddler Dudu, arrested by the Goa police, was staying in Goa in the guise of a businessman. He was operating in the state from last 12 years. He was arrested by Mumbai police couple of years back.
David Drihan alias Dudu has been operating in the narcotics trade in Goa for the last 12 years, but was arrested a couple of years ago on charges of overstaying. Dudu is not just a full-fledged drug peddler but also has a business in Anjuna. Dudu Division Import-Export Private Limited at Anjuna belongs to him. He was served with Live India notice in 2006. Dudu was arrested in 2008 by Mumbai's ANC. Notorious and international drug peddler Dudu alias David Drihan was arrested by Anti-Narcotics Cell of Goa Police. Dudu was arrested after ANC laid a trap at Anjuna on Monday. Dudu was caught red-handed with drugs. Arrest of Dudu has clearly exposed the drug inflow and the evil trade in the state. Sources claim that more than 250 people are dealing in narcotics activities in the state. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
NRI businessman Bobby Kapoor plans to take up the land deal cheating case to the Overseas Ministry. Kapoor has alleged a fraud by Goan businessman and a land deal with him. He has charged Panji police for not arresting the accused. Police, however, have rubbished the Kapoor's allegation.
Bobby Kapoor has accused Madgaon-based businessman of cheating his company to the tune of around 14 crore rupees in a land deal. He alleges that he did not get possession of land, though he paid the amount for it. He was planning to put up a star hotel. Kapoor also alleges that he was threatened at gunpoint by a Madgaon-based businessman in a 5-star hotel in Panji. Bobby Kapoor has charged hotel officials and Panji police for not cooperating in the case.
I was being questioned of the whereabouts of the people who have threatened me with a gun. Here is a situation where we don't know whether we are being followed, not followed, whether, I've been told that they're going to put a bullet through my head, whether we will reach the police station or not. This is what Goa police is up to. This is how they protect people. We arrive at the police station, ask the guy about our FIR, has it been registered? The answer is yes, it has been registered. Can we have a copy of it? No, you can't have a copy of it. There's a big board just behind the guy which says you can have a copy of your FIR.
But Panji police have rubbished allegations of Kapoor. They say they will soon arrest the accused for threatening the complainant. But police say their preliminary investigation did show that the accused took a gun inside the hotel.
The image is captured of the through the DFMD. And no weapon was detected. We had recorded statements of the Marriott staff, the security staff, who had physically frisked all the accused before entering Marriott's. There also weapon was not recorded. So he cannot say that we are not cooperating. Prior to him lodging a FIR, we had started our own preliminary inquiry. We have registered an FIR under 506 for threatening them. That we have done and investigations are on.
Our senior reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kandolkar, with video journalist Omkar Fallari for Prudent Media.
There are 2 new entrants as far as Panji is concerned. Two entrants of different kinds, different flavors and probably equally costly, at least till now. Mango and Casino.
This is a new casino called Boa Sorte, floating in the Mandovi River. It is an addition to the already existing casinos in the river basin. Sources say that this casino belongs to Sargaunkars. Mangoes of fresh season were also seen in the Panji market. Yes, one of the favorite fruits for all of us. But if you're getting tempted, be ready to empty your wallet. Shaver, rupees 60 each. Mankurad, rupees 120 each. Afons, rupees 100 each. A reporter from Panji, Jason Suarez, with video journalist Omkar Falari.
Now a look at the other happenings in the state.
Famous theatrist Rico Bob Broad, president of Kokni Theatre Academy, Tomazin Cardos, along with other theatrists, inaugurated the first commercial theatre competition at Ravindra Bhavan. This 10-day competition commenced from 22nd February and will showcase some of the finest theatres. The best theatre will be announced on 6th March during the awards distribution ceremony. Prince Jacob said that the theatrists should participate in theatres without any expectation of awards. Jacob also said that Theatre Academy has brought theatres in a systematic format. Home Minister and President of Ponda Shigmahotsav Committee said that Shigmahotsav gives a good chance for upcoming artists to exhibit their talent. Ravi held a meeting of Ponda Shigmahotsav Committee. Ponda Municipality Chairperson Shailendra Shinkre, Sarpanch of Kurti Kandepar, Hussain Mullah and others were present. Ravi heard the suggestions on Shigmah celebrations. Ponda Municipality has declared rupees 30,000 for Ponda Shigmah. President of Mata Gramast Saraswat Samaj Jagannath Prabhudesai informed that Saraswat Food and Cultural Festival 2010 will start from 26th February. The festival will be held on 26th, 27th and 28th February at BPS Club Ground. CM will inaugurate the Saraswat Food and Cultural Festival. Prabhudesai has appealed that people from all communities to attend the festival and enjoy the delicacies. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
It's time for yet another short break. Stay tuned.